In this tutorial we're going to take a look at the AiM codec and the options it gives us when encoding our movies. Whilst AI can make use of many types of movie format, the ultimately recommended format is our own AiM codec, which we specially created for AI. I'm going to use MPEG Streamclip today, which is a free piece of software for encoding your media. So I'm just starting up the software. There we go. So let's import a film. So I go to File, Open Files, navigate to one of my pieces of content. Let's just go into there. Okay. Let's have a quick look. So there we go. Okay, so we've got a piece of content in there. So let's go to the encoding options. So I'm going to go File. I'm going to go for Export to QuickTime, as AiM is part of the QuickTime family. Now on the compressor options that come up, in the compression type, on that drop down you'll get a similar drop down whatever software you're using, and the options that we're going to see are going to be available in any QuickTime based encoder. So if you go down you should see either AiM or AiM compressor listed in your drop down compressor types. Then you'll either have an options or a functions button or something like that. If you give that a click, that'll give you three different options. So the top one, the transparency, that's whether or not there's an area of transparency in the movie. This has to be specified at the time of rendering. You can't just add an alpha channel to a clip. Adding an alpha channel will add approximately 1/3 to your overall file size. The threads option at the bottom is how many threads of your processor are used when encoding the movie. I would recommend choosing max and let the computer intelligently work out how many you have available. Otherwise you can end up with a situation where the machine is searching for more cores than are available and it will hang indefinitely. Now the important one here is the optimize for option. So we've got three flavors there: performance, quality and superstream. So performance is 16-bit, whereas quality and superstream are both 24-bit. So you get better depth and better color reproduction on quality and superstream. Now quality and performance look at the difference between the frames, whereas superstream has unique information for every frame. So that means that superstream is going to come out with a larger file, but is actually more reliable for temporal video where the timing is very, very important, such as lip synced video. So superstream will give you your biggest file. The other difference is that because superstream has a complete amount of frame information for every frame, you can estimate the size of the file before it's complete, whereas because quality and performance are variable, you don't really know the size of the file until it's rendered. Okay, so of those three, I would actually suggest using superstream all the time, because in a lot of situations we've actually found that it will outperform performance mode, and this is the primary codec version that we test with here at Avalites. You can of course have audio in your file. For version 8 and before, the audio has to be uncompressed stereo at 44.1 kHz. If you use a frequency other than that, you'll either get your audio playing back too fast or too slow. However, as of version 9, which should be around the end of 2015, the start of 2016, we have a completely open audio engine, and you can make use of any frequency rates that you want, and you can mix and match those throughout your projects.